none other than Mr. Sean D. Tucker. Fasten your seatbelts. Make sure your seats and tray tables are in their upright and locked position, because you're about to experience 11 minutes of the most hardcore, down and dirty, hard-charging power aerobatics. So ready or not, San Diego, here we go. Sean drops down into the box. After snap roll, he spirals into his signature figure. We call the centrifuge. He's pulling a positive G, going 280 miles an hour right now, making it look easy. And in the words of Sean D. Tucker, yeah, baby. Screaming across the box here, Aeroshow Center. Pulling vertical. He's feeling 10 times his own weight. That's a 10G move right there. That'll wake you up. And the thing that Sean was terrified of flying. This guy faced his fear. And behind his fear, he found his passion. And now he inspires 8 million Airshow fans every year. Spinning across Airshow Center. Another fast pull to the vertical. He goes straight into 2.5 outside snap rolls into a front flip. Let's watch. There it is. And now he's pulling an inverted recovery, ripping across Airshow Center, across the box right now. A slow half roll. He's now going to attempt what we like to call the hooey loop. Inside, outside loop with a cherry on top over 6 negative degrees. Trying to throw him out of that cockpit now. It's the hooey. Ouch. That's gotta hurt. This guy's tough. So let me tell you about this biplane. Carries serial number 1. There's not another like it on the planet. Weighing in at barely 1,225 pounds, but it still produces over 400 horsepower. You're looking at the most high-performance aerobatic biplane in the world. It took our team 16 months to perfect a plane that would match Sean's skill level. This is the pulling up for another original maneuver, only done by a handful of pilots in the world. He demonstrates for you not just one, but 2 consecutive hammerhead turnarounds. That's the double hammerhead, folks. In the face, and he rises to show us what he likes to call the Raptor in honor of the F-22. Pulling engines. As you might be thinking now, how can he handle all these G's? Well, he's got to be in top physical condition, right? He exercises 6 days a week. He's ripped. He calls himself a beginning mountaineer from the summit in 3 cities in the world. Mount Aconcagua, Kilimanjaro, Elbrus. Now, if you like to ride around a plane and spun around upside down like a frisbee, well, that's what you're watching right now. This is Sean's inverted, flat frisbee turn. Checking out San Diego, the Sean Tucker way, upside down, spinning around. He goes straight into the upright frisbee turn. Hey, Sean, that's amazing.
We're here on this stage to celebrate our freedom.
with these now. Tumbles, but keeps his wings straight, focusing in again on that third. Goes straight underneath that third ribbon. There it is. Pulls straight up. Another strong deep pull. Slowly rolls his wings. Fires on his smoke. And demonstrates the world's smallest inside. There it is. Show left. Disorientation. The shoreline is now ready to attempt slicing all three rivers in one single pass at 3 separate flight patterns. That's right. Slice all three of these rivers at 3 separate number 2, now inverted to take it out that third and final ribbon. He's pushing his limits, pushing his sliding machine. He's living with passion. Make some noise for Sean Lee Tucker. Well, Sean couldn't share this joy of flight with you today if it were not for his sponsorship. Delivering extreme performance at the lowest cost. Businesses and technology solutions, cloud or in your data center, from forward. When Sean goes into the fire, flew to San Diego and Leo Islands, let's go to the cockpit like Sean. That's amazing. The former winner of the U.S. National Advanced Aerobatic Championship. In addition, Sean is the first to win both the Philip Barber Award for Air Showmanship and the Art Show Memorial Showmanship Award in the same year. In 2005, Sean was honored by the National Air and Space Facility, one of the 25 legends of aviation. John Glenn, Chuck Yeager, 2008 Aviation take a breath as he gains some altitude for his final maneuver of this evening sequence. This one's called U.S. Marine Corps Aviating B Harrier. He's going to try to hold perfectly still in the wind, which is a challenge on a windy evening night. This final opportunity to thank you on behalf of all of Team Oracle. This year, Sean will perform at more than 18 events across North America for more than 8 million air show fans. Check out our schedule at teamoracle.com. Also on Facebook is Sean Lee Tucker. Find that his first name is spelled S-E-A. We're also on Instagram and Twitter. Username is Team Oracle. Tag us and you could be the featured photo of the day. Well, thanks for flying with us. We'll see you tomorrow, San Diego. Rob Ryder, Matt Jolly, back to you guys.
Thank you, Brandon. Yes. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Sean Lee Tucker. me, Tucker, touching down in just a moment.
What a cool show.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. The sun's about to set. We're getting great sun angles for photographs.
Sean laid down some fog for us right here. This is going to be awesome. All right, Rob Ryder, lots of stuff, including a demonstration that I'm just trying to think back. I can't recall seeing this gorgeous gal fly twice in one day.
Well, it happens at very few shows, but this is one of them.
Miramar's not like any of them.
So that's certainly not.
Always.